and sweaty, it said bye-bye. So, but one, don't get into a fight. Don't get like McDonald's. I am loving this. I am loving it. Hi beautiful people, I'm back again with another video. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back and better and forever, staying the longest, you know. But yeah, so today's video, I got these Amazon clip-ins that I wanted to try, and honestly so far I'm like McDonald's. I am loving this. I am loving it. The only thing is my hair needs to stay down because the heat keep rising it up, but I just like how it's more of a natural look. Like, you know, they're clip-ins. If I am tired of it, just take that out. It's not tracks, not sold in. I just oof. If you hear background noise, it's the fan. I don't know why the AC won't work in my room, but it is hot. But I still gotta do what I gotta do. So before we get started on the video, I know I look ridiculous. My hair grew actually, because this whole side and the back used to be, it was shaved, you know. That was when I was trying to do my hot girl things back in the day. But anyways, yeah, before we get started on the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely stay tuned because there's a lot more videos coming up soon. So let's get into the video. And while we're here, I got these clip-ins from Amazon. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm trying to get cute. I think I might have a problem with my hair because before I already straightened it, hot comb, whatever, but because of the heat, it's rising back up. So we're just gonna manage still. If you want a fuller look, I suggest getting 2 packs. I didn't really know that because, well, yeah, I suggest getting 2 packs or whatever because it comes in at 8-piece. It comes in 8 pieces. So I actually ordered the 20. This is the 20-inch. I ordered this first, but I realized I'm like, I might need more hair. So instead of ordering another 20-inch, I decided to order a 16-inch. So it is Brazilian hair. I will put the link below in the description. So if you guys want to purchase it, go ahead and let me know how you did yours and whatnot. And it just comes in these simple packaging. One came with Boo Boo Kitty makeup brushes that I probably would just give to my little sister, and then the other one came with lashes. No, I got my own lash line, so I'm wearing my own lashes today. But yeah, it's not bad. It's cute. I'll still wear it. So I just opened the 20-inch one, and let me show you guys how. So this is a clip-in. You just clip it in, section your hair how you want it. So this is, it comes 8 pieces. And there's different length, what's it called? Different sizes, basically the length. Like, I need the fan. The fan helping me right now. So I'm just gonna go around my hair, just section it around it, because you know you're trying to make it have more of a natural look. So let me do this real quick. Shut up. I don't know how straight it is, but yeah. So I already went and put one track in. Let me turn around so you guys can see. So this clip right here is what I'm gonna use right here, and it's so secure. Like, it is so secure, it's not even funny. Here, look, pulling it. I don't want to rip out my hair. The reason why I did the clip-ins instead of I don't want glue. I'm trying to maintain my hair and take care of it. I just don't want the glue. Anyways, I don't want the glue at my scalp where like the new growth is like, I don't know. I don't trust it like that, but yeah, so far very secure. Very secure. I was gonna sew it in, I'm like, but the way I just put one track in and it fit perfectly well, I think it's just fine like that. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know.
Purchase your tracks today.
Let me stop. I'm not even done yet and I'm already acting like a fool. Okay, so let me part another one. Little hearts. But honestly, this doesn't even take long. It just prepping your own hair takes long, you know. This doesn't take long. Like before, I have permed my hair from like a month ago, but what's it called? Before putting I made sure I did a hair treatment on my own, and if you guys want, it's looking really full, and I made sure I layered it. I put the 20-inch in the back, like started off with the 20-inch and then I went up. Like when that was done, I filled it up with the 16-inch to make it look, you know, like layer it. There's some 16-inch at the top for her. So now all I'm trying to do is close it out, right? So I wanted my little side part. I already, like, you know, clipped that section that now I'm trying to like see. There's like a couple of hair left. I think I'm not gonna use this because it's one of the longer pieces for the 16-inch. So I'm just gonna try to close it out with these little 3 pieces because I feel like it's already full, right? And I want to make sure, like, you know, it looks natural. The tracks, you know, are not showing. So yeah.
Purchase your tracks today.
Yeah, I did my baby hair, but clearly with the heat and sweating, it said bye-bye. So it's okay. I still look good no matter what. So now it's just this little. So now, voila. Now this side is done. I'm about to take my hot comb and go with it, and I know my hair is just gonna keep spiking up because of the heat. So yeah, but I did do a hair treatment, like when I permed my hair and stuff. Look, you can put it up and all your surround little hair left over. There was 2 more tracks over from the 16-inch. At least I got some left over, you know what I mean? So now I'm just gonna go over with the hot comb. If you guys, I did try to do like my at home silk press, you know, just to prep my hair for what I was about to do. That can be a different video if you guys want to know the products I use for that. If you want more tutorials, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok because I do some there too. So now I'm about to use my hot comb that I also got from Amazon. Amazon is just the plug for everything, I feel like. Amazon is the plug.
Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, y'all, so we have made it to the final look. This is it. I'm not even gonna bother doing my
Purchase your tracks
video
today.
because we're just gonna do this again. So, but yeah, I just like the natural look. The hair itself is so soft, like it's Brazilian. You can tell this Brazilian. This is so light too. It's not heavy. You know, like it feels so secure. I'm not even joking. Like I thought, because I wasn't gonna do the blue one, so I'm like, oh, like if I do the clip in, it's gonna fall out. But it is so secure. It's not even. But don't get into a fight. Don't get into a fight. Do not get into a fight. Yeah, I feel like clip-ins are my new thing because I don't know, wigs. I just never. I tried it. I just couldn't maintain it, and I feel like it was taking my baby hair every single time I put up. Like it was bad. Like it took a whole. I'm just finally growing it back again. Like the last time I had a wig on, I think it was like short blonde wig. It wasn't even in for like 2 weeks, like a week and a half, and my baby hair came out. So yeah, I feel like clip-ins are my new thing. Yeah, it's just the more natural way to go. I'm gonna get out of this heat room so my hair will stop rising up. But thank you for watching. Definitely a lot more videos to come. So let me know in the comments below what would you like to see more of, like makeup tutorial or hair tutorial, or just talking about life in general. I have a lot of wisdom and advice I can give you all. Just comment in the comments. Comments in the comments. But the number one thing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on my other socials. Definitely more to come. And let me know how I did. I just can't. I'm ready to go out and do some content pictures today. Like you don't understand. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.